This is Robert Rauschenberg's Catbird door from 1971. Rauschenberg always said anything could be art, and in 1971 he started to do a series of works on cardboard. And he did a series of prints. Now you wouldn't think this is a print because it printed trompe l'oeil tape and labels on cardboard itself with actual cardboard and also printed cardboard. Sort of a combination of trompe l'oeil and actual tape and cardboard. And he made this with Gemini in Los Angeles, as well as a series of cardbirds, he called them. Quick story, 1971, Charlie Hewitt, our artist, had moved to New York, and he walked out of his house. It was cold, winter, there was a garbage strike going on, and he's passing all this garbage, cardboard, all over the place, boxes, and he's grumpy and he feels horrible, and he walks into Soho, and he goes to Leo Castelli Gallery, and he walks in, and this is what's on the wall. It's cardboard Rauschenberg's. Cardboard door, all over, and he goes, what was I thinking? He's walking past and he's complaining. He realizes it's art. Art is everywhere. Go look at some.